everybody! So, it is time for my new jigsaw, as always. Today I just picked a 500 piece one because I haven't done a lot of puzzles recently, so I have to do a few 500 piece puzzles now. They are quicker to do, and then I can plan more content before I start with the big ones with 1,000 pieces again. So this one I bought that one a while ago at the Ravensburger outlet, and I think it's hilarious because although I didn't like the second Wreck-It Ralph as much as the first one, I really enjoyed the scenes with the Disney princesses. So this is awesome, and yeah, I hope it is fun. I will let you know as soon as I'm done. And that rhymes, but it wasn't intended. So let's start the jigsaw. Alright, so here we have the selfie of the princesses with Princess Vanellope von Sweets, whatever. So we have the border with all the Ralph pictures. I think they do repeat themselves, but it was fun to do. So Ralph and Vanellope on the border, and then we have all the princesses in the inside with Vanellope taking a selfie. I don't know what's going on with Pocahontas. She looks very disgusted, so maybe Vanellope just farted or something. And yeah, Elsa looks a little bit what do you call it, arrogant, and Aurora is a bit confused, so I don't know. They do look a little bit confused, and yeah, whatever. Okay, yeah, that one was fun. It was I don't know how long it took me, about 2 hours, I guess. And now let's move on to the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and let me know in the comments which is your favorite Disney princess. Thank you, bye bye!